Hello dear students, welcome you all. In the previous lecture, I have discussed with you functions of NBFCs. In this today's lecture, I am going to discuss with you the role of NBFCs. The NBFCs have important role in the every economy. The timely adequate funds can make or break a business. Every business requires funds for its survival and growth. So only banking sector cannot provide the funds for businesses and other purposes. So wherever banking sector is absent, the NBFCs are becoming replacing to the banking sector. So over the past few decades, NBFCs have grown and providing a boost to the Indian economy by catering to the diversified and growing needs of the economy, where it is requirement of fund for enormous infrastructural projects, managing mutual funds, small loans for consumption or agriculture purposes. NBFCs have a presence almost everywhere. So wherever uh, banking sector is absent, there NBFCs have important role, or it is not competing to the banking sector, but it is a supporting. The NBFCs have supporting role to the banking sector also. In the present economic system, non-banking companies are playing a significant role in providing accessible and affordable financial services. The NBFCs are becoming a vital player in financial inclusions, indirectly boosting the economy. These companies majorly focus on the business of loans, acquisition of shares, stocks, bonds, debentures, and securities allotted by the government, local authority, or by other market securities. NBFCs are engaged in maturity transformation and core banking functions also. The operations carried out by the NBFCs merely aid threat to growing market, thereby leading to the economic development respectively. So let us discuss the one by one. What is the role of NBFCs in the economy? In a nutshell, we can discuss the NBFCs aid economic development. As first, we can discuss mobilization of resources. It converts savings into investment. So, like a bank, NBFCs convert the savings into investment by mobilizing resources from surplus unit to deficit unit. So, NBFCs supporting banking sectors. Second is capital formation. NBFCs aid to increase capital stock of a company. Capital formation in the economy, the growth and development depends on the capital formation of the in the economy. NBFCs provide long-term credit and specialized credit, uh, especially for heavy projects, infrastructural projects, and bank are not very interested to provide loan to the heavy infrastructural and long-term projects which have long gestation period. But NBFCs, the specialized NBFCs for particular area provides long-term credit and specialized credit, and it gives to the boost to the that boost to the development of that particular sector. Next is NBFCs help in employment generation. Obviously, the capital formation or investment in whichever sector creates the production. The it start process of production, and production leads to the increase in the employment level. So the NBFCs have important role in the employment generation. Next is help in development of financial markets. So financial markets develop when there are more player, competition is there, then everywhere the need or requirement of fund is completed by the supply of the fund. So development of financial market indicates different instruments, different institutions, different types and segments of markets. When all these varieties are available, the fund easily available on with very lowest cost, then we can say the financial market is developing or it is developed. So financial market the development of financial market depend on the instruments in the market, the institutions in the markets, like that. So NBFCs are helping in the development of financial market. Indirectly, the growth and development of any economy is depend on the development of financial market. So NBFCs are helping to develop financial market. NBFCs helps in attracting foreign grants, foreign funds in this domestic economy. NBFC is also helping in breaking vicious circle of poverty by serving as government's instrument. NBFC's vicious circle of poverty means when there is a lack of investment, then it leads to lower production, lower employment, then low per capita income, and again lower investment. So it is a cycle. It is a like a trap, vicious cycle. So the this vicious circle of poverty need to break in every economy. So NBFC is providing fund for investment. NBFCs are helping for the capital formation. So it is helping to break the vicious circle of poverty. NBFCs aid in economic development in the following ways also. NBFCs provide assistance to the weaker section of the society. We have discussed that microfinance companies helping the who have annual income less than 1 lakh, or very marginal farmers, artisans, or like that. So the weaker sections who need the fund, NBFC is helping them. NBFC support in development of infrastructure and transport. As I discussed, banks are not very interested to finance infrastructural projects and transportation. So NBFCs and specialized firms which are helping or the developed for particular area are providing capital and fund for the development of these sectors. Then NBFC helps in economic development, overall economic development. So NBFCs are everywhere, present everywhere, so providing the they have the role, complementing role with bank. So wherever banks are absent, the NBFCs are there. So these NBFCs are helping economic development. NBFCs are helping in wealth creation. Obviously, when loans or the capital or investment given to the entrepreneurs, businessmen, they create production. Production leads to employment generation. Employment generation creates wealth. Production creates wealth. So the national income obviously increases. So NBFCs are helping in wealth creation. Let us discuss in the with some description or so with one few more points. First is mobilization of asset. NBFCs allows and provide with the mobilization of resources, funds and capital. These companies help the mobilization of asset by converting investment into most favorable sets. Means NBFCs collect savings, or those who have surplus resources, NBFCs collect that and channelize it to the investment according to the preferences of investment. Next is providing long-term credit. We have discussed this point. Upliftment in the employment sector. NBFC's operations and policies creates or generate employment, and more job opportunities are arising with the influence of these companies in private sector as well as government sector. So with the investment of NBFCs or fund supplement of these NBFCs creates more jobs and employment opportunities. Next is enhancing the financial market. We have discussed already that NBFCs are providing more scope to the development of financial market through different functioning in the different areas. NBFCs cater the urban and rural companies that have a complementary role in the financial inclusion. What is financial inclusion? Those who are behind the circle of banking or financial market, those who don't have access to these banking and financial services. For example, some people don't have demat account to invest in the financial market, share market. Many people just know the bank deposits for investment or gold or some primary instruments to investment. But if we look at the developed countries, then almost 50 to 60% people invest in the financial markets and take the benefit of financial markets. So NBFCs, so there is a financial exclusion, and NBFCs are catching these all peoples to take the benefit of financial market. So the NBFCs have a complementary role in the financial inclusion. Microfinance plays an important role to attain stable financial inclusion. Microfinance is given to the weaker sections of the society, for example, self-help group, or we have discussed that below those who have below 1 lakh annual income, these people get microfinance from microfinance companies. So like that, these companies are helping the weaker sections of the society and have important role in the development of the weaker sections. Next is nurturing the standard of living. The non-banking financial companies are highly promoting the living standard of the masses or peoples, as they are collaborating with the government as well as private sector with their operations. So NBFCs are present everywhere. So these are providing financial inclusion and many more services, and indirectly nurturing or increasing the standard of living level in the Indian economy. Some future renovations with NBFCs. The future will mark the financial innovations driven by the NBFC sector and will help it to grow in a prudential manner. These companies will surely be the game changer in the developing economy by providing factoring and bill payment service, which are of critical importance at the present juncture. These are providing different type of services everywhere NBFCs are present. So technologies, some technological changes happening in the NBFC sectors. So NBFCs are providing a complementary role to the Indian economy. Next point we can discuss promoting inclusive growth. Inclusive growth means the growth with all the people, not with the exclusion. Inclusion and exclusion, these are the important terms. Inclusion means to participation of all the people in the growth. So the growth is happening in the Indian economy, but it is not reaching to the poor, or it is not reaching to the last strata of the Indian society. So the growth is happening from many years, but the fruits of growth not reaching to the poor. So it is a growth, it is, we can call exclusive growth, but NBFC is helping to the inclusive growth. So inclusive growth means the fruits of these growth should be reached to the poor. So the NBFCs are catering to a wide variety of customers both in urban and rural areas. They finance projects of small scale companies, which is important for the growth in rural areas also. They provide small tickets loans for affordable housing projects. All these help promote inclusive growth in the economy. So friends, today, that much in this today's lecture. We will discuss the next point in the next lecture. You have to mention your name and roll number in the comment box for the attendance. If you have any queries and questions, let me know. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.